lately done boxing. I've been a trained boxer for a while. Have I ever fought anyone? Yes. No. Well, not with mitts and not legally, but no, I've never fought anyone. But I have done a lot of training. And you know what was really ingrained in my head during this training? What's the word? The term? Float like a butterfly? Sting like a bee! Sting like a bee! Sting like a bee, I wanted to learn about it. How do I sting like a bee? So what did I do? I found a bee. Caught the bee. Oh. And everyone get up on your feet. Let's find out what happened to that bee. I'm bringing home the baby bumblebee. Oh, my mommy, be so proud of me.